Okay, YouTubers, we're going to try to swap out the exhaust on the Himalayan today. New exhaust came in the mail, straight from New Delhi, Red Rooster Performance, in black. So we'll see how it goes. Did a little sound check on the exhaust prior to taking the OEM exhaust off. We'll do another one.
Use the Decibel X app on my iPhone to record the sound levels of both the OEM exhaust and the new Red Rooster exhaust. Okay, we start by removing the heat shield on header pipe, loosening the clamp that holds the muffler to the header pipe itself, and then removing the bolt on the bracket for the muffler. Here you see me fiddling around with the bracket for the muffler, and I ended up having to use the bushings from the OEM exhaust, and once I did that, everything lined up perfectly.
Okay, so the installation's done. Didn't take all that long to do, a little bit of figuring out. We'll give it a start and see how it sounds, and we'll see how the decibels change. And I'm going to pull the decibel killer out and do the same loop, see how it sounds. Not terribly loud. A little hot.
Overall, I was really happy with the install. The weight saving is about 2.5 pounds or 1 kilogram, and this exhaust is actually 2.5 inches shorter or 63 millimeters shorter than the OEM exhaust. I was really impressed with the vendor from eBay. It took about 6 days to get from New Delhi to New York.
Okay, don't forget to ride smart, ride safe.
This has been a Chaz Moto production.